How to fix Steam cannot add friends. To fix the Steam cannot add friends issue, first of all, you have to verify that both accounts have spent at least 5 USD to unlock the limited status. So, first of all, remove the limited account restriction. Steam requires accounts to spend at least 5 USD in the Steam store to prevent spam and bot accounts. So add funds directly to your Steam wallet or buy game directly from the store. Selling items on community market or playing free-to-play game does not count. So once you go through all of this process, double check how you are adding them. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the application, then go to the Add a Friends page and use the unique friend code instead of the account name. You can also click the Create a New Invite Link button and share the generated URL with your friend directly to avoid any miscommunication or errors. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.